Hey guys! Many parents find that mealtimes of your baby become more difficult, and sometimes this can be frustrating too. Remember that your little one's stomach is still tiny, so he won't be able to eat that much in one go. Try not to get anxious about mealtimes. If you're able to keep a calm and positive attitude, this will be better for both of you. Fussy eating is a normal phase in your child's development. This video shows 5 guidelines to cope with your fussy eater. Before we start, click on subscribe and know more about your baby. At first, eat with your baby as often as possible. This will create interest to your baby to try your food. Tell your child how much you are enjoying your food. Encourage him when he tries, even if it's failed. If he doesn't eat his meal within half an hour, just take out the food away without commenting. Just accept that he had enough food. Make a daily feeding routine that fits around your baby's sleep pattern. This should include 3 meals and 2 or 3 nutritious snacks, spaced throughout the day. Offer him an acceptable course followed by a nutritious dessert, such as fruit. However, never bribe your baby to eat any food with the promise of the sweet one. Once your toddler's old enough, include him in food shopping by letting him help you find things in the supermarket, or to help with simple cooking and food preparation. This may create or improve his interest on trying new. Every parent should know the following things. This will help you to follow the above said tips. Don't coax, bribe or plead with your toddler. Don't offer a different food instead. Don't offer dessert as a reward. Don't offer snacks just before or after a meal. Remember, your kid is trying the food for the first time. There would be a temporary refusals. Don't think this refusal is forever. Allow him some time and serve the food. Alright. So are you ready to handle your little one? Do you know the common mistakes that parents do? I will guide you on this next time. Subscribe and stay tuned.